What's up, world? It's your girl Camaros Chick, and welcome to Coffee and Camaros Chick.
Headlight. Okay. Take these little halogen bulbs out. No more starter kit. Pass me those LEDs over there. So for the 92 Camaro, they take the 9003s. Same thing as the H4. LEDs are a lot brighter. So it's simple. One plug into the housing. See if we get this thing aligned back up. We need it to. One of these ways is the right way. Okay, here we go. All right, flip that around. Boom. Snap it down in the hole. Simple plug. I like the LEDs because they got the built-in ballast. They do extra wiring. So we know after we do it's your water seal. Keep the water out. You definitely want to do that. Slide that back over. Straight right there.
Simple enough.
Simple enough. Put your ring back. Wide on the bottom.
Get all up in there, ain't it?
Ooh, it got to go. It got to go. I'm down. Damn.
Right like that.
One down. One more to go. We're gonna end up probably putting a set in the high beams as well, so they can see you coming. All right, that's one. On to the next one.
On to the next.